Hi guys, Celai here and back with another video. So if you guys haven't, been on TikTok, there was this trend and they're doing like these boho braids, so I'm gonna be doing those today. Alright, let's get started. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. Looks so good. Yep, almost done. Alright guys, so we're almost done. So the final thing that we have to do is wet it down and define the curls. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I know it looks kind of boring, but I'm going to do some quick little styles real quick to, like show you just some of the styles you can put in. So you can leave these two out and like do like the half up, half down kind of thing. I don't know if I got them all up. Do that one. But then you can also do where they're all up. Okay, then you can leave these. Okay, you can do that and leave this down. You can do like two space buns kind of thingy. But yeah, it looks really cute. And so my question is, would you actually try a hairstyle like this for summer? So yeah, you guys can, comment down below your thoughts. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later.